Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the binary puzzle. In addition of today's newspaper of Friday, yes, Friday, February the 2nd, 2024. And yeah, I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku, and two puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Well, not quite right, because 2.5 puzzles are left, because this one I've made a mistake. Yeah, one follower has told me there's an error here. Yeah, and I believe I made a mistake here. Well, need to correct this. Alright, let me continue with this one. Binary puzzle number 7925. Yeah, 7925. Before I start, always count the printed digits. 15. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Okay, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Between the 1s comes in O, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here in the first column, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, we solved the game. Without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one has 10 printed digits. Hard one. Alright. Thank you, and see you later on.